Hi, I'm Theo. If you have assembled one of my head bases, you have to know that I don't model the lips on my head bases, and that's regardless whether it's a puppet head base or a fursuit head base. So all the head bases that have holes in them are supposed to have the lips above the 3D printed part, like this here. So and you can fold the edge of the lips inside the mouth, so that you can easily open and close it. And you can just sew that on or glue it on, whatever you prefer. I normally use some paracord or really any thicker type of string that I have, and I often put some a satin band around it to form the lips, because it gives this nice shiny surface. So do not forget, there are supposed to be lips up here, and that's closing the gap here, and there should be down here. And so if the mouth is completely closed, you shouldn't see the teeth anymore. So that's how it's supposed to be. And if you put the lips directly around here, you will have the teeth permanently visible. Well, some people prefer it, but for a show where it is vital to see how the character's mouth moves, and that makes it a lot easier if you see the teeth. The mouth is open, you don't see the teeth, the mouth is closed. So this contrast may be something that you want to have. And you can also use elastics for the lips. Those are easier to get around the teeth, so that we're not in the way, even if you have really large teeth that have to go into pockets. It's not a problem with this head base, because I made these teeth to fit as a jaw set. That's it for now. Bye bye.